In this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know in great detail on how to replace the battery in this Nissan Sentra, preferably years 2013 to 2019. Let's get started. Although I didn't show it, I did spray some penetrant on both of these nuts before I removed them, and I recommend you do the same. Although I'm using an impact here to remove this nut quickly for video purposes, you can remove these nuts pretty quickly with a ratchet, an extension, and a deep 10mm socket. This battery checked out to be good, so we're going to reinstall it. It's no different from installing a new one. I'm pointing here at the direction of the arrow and the front's FR. That means front. You want to face that tray towards the front of the vehicle, and I'm going to show you guys why. Two holes that I'm pointing at, or if you flip the tray over, those two raised sections, or dowels if you will, are the reason that tray has to face forward in the direction of that arrow, because they sit in slots, and I'll show you guys right now. Here is the channel for the backside J-hook or battery hold down rod, and I'll show you guys the front side in a second. And that's the front. If your battery hold down rod is rusted out or missing, it's very important that you reinstall and get some. You just don't want the battery dangling around in that tray. They're inexpensive. I had some laying around. I'll insert the clip here of some ones that I bought for a previous vehicle that I didn't need, so I just got them on standby. This battery sits on a bridge or a riser. You can see it there, it locks on here. Once you can snap off. Make sure it's locked on, it gives it the correct height. I'm gonna take the boys fishing. That's how it should be.